Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. Welcome my viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are drawing a mountain scenery. I'm using a black pointer here. You can use a pencil, pointer, whatever you are comfortable with. So I have drawn a straight line, and now at the left side I'm drawing a tree just like this. Draw with me. I have watched my viewers, they are giving me love from countries like Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Malaysia. Thanks to all of my those viewers who watch my videos, and please do comment on my video. As I always say, इससे मुझे पता चलता है that how did you like my drawing, and subscribe करना तो बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा. Do subscribe to my channel and visit my other videos. All of my drawings are very easy and with my own voice tutorial. So I have drawn a sun in the sky, and now I'm drawing a boat just like this, and also a man sitting in the boat. Hope you like my drawing and you are drawing with me and you will learn. So now I am coloring the man in black, and now I'm taking a crayon to give some shade in the water, and now shading the boat with a pencil just like this, and shading the